Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So students, are you enjoying your e-classes and e-lessons? I hope all of you are doing your home tasks with responsibility. I am Samar Ajaz, your English instructor. This video lesson is for grade 2, assignment 17. So students, now moving towards our Oxford Discovered Writing and Spelling book. Unit 4, what happens next? First of all, we will look towards our sight words. Now, what you have to do is to listen to me carefully and repeat the words after me. So, our first word is reflection. What's the word? Reflection. Repeat after me. Reflection. Reflection is production of image by a mirror. She saw her reflection in the mirror. Moving towards the next word. Our next word is bone. Repeat the word. Bone. Bone. Bone is the hardest part of the skeleton of a vertebrate. He broke his bone in his left arm. Moving towards the next word. Our next word is juicy. Repeat the word after me. Juicy. Juicy. Juicy means something that is rich in flavor and has got a lot of juice. The meat was tender and juicy. Moving towards the next word. Our next word is shady. Repeat the word after me. Shady. Shady. Something that is protected from the sun rays. Our backyard is nice and shady. So students, now moving towards our next words. Our next word is relax. Repeat the word after me. Relax. Relax. Relax means to make something less aware or decrease the tendency of something to make something less tense. I can't relax with all this noise. Moving forward towards the next word. Our next word is grab. Repeat the word after me. Grab. Grab. To have physical possession or control over something, or to snatch something suddenly. The little boy grabbed his mother's leg. Moving forward. Our next word is pond. Repeat the word after me. Pond. Pond. Pond is a small water body that is smaller than a lake. I saw fish in the pond. Moving forward. Our next word is tasty. Repeat the word. Tasty. Tasty. Tasty is something that has a good flavor and has an appetizing and is very appetizing. The donuts were very tasty. So students, moving towards our next sight word. Our next word is fall. Repeat the word after me. Fall. Fall. Fall means to descend freely, slip, tumble. The apple fell from the tree. Now our last word is silly. Repeat the word silly. silly. Somebody who is lacking in seriousness and maturity. I made a silly mistake. So students, here we are done with our sight words. Now moving towards the reading of our text. So students, as we are done with our sight words, now moving towards the reading of our text. This is our unit number 4, What Happens Next? Page number 16 of Oxford Discover Writing and Spelling book. Now what you have to do is to listen to me very carefully and read after me. As well as hold your pencils in your hand, we are going to mark our sight words. The silly dog and his reflection. Kindly underline reflection. It's a sunny afternoon. Dinu the dog is happy because he has a juicy bone. Underline juicy and underline bone. Now here they are telling that it is a sunny pleasant afternoon and Dinu the dog is very happy as he has got a very juicy bone in his mouth. We can see it in the picture as well. He is looking for a shady place to relax and eat his bone. Underline shady and underline relax. Now as the dog is wandering by holding the bone in his mouth, he is looking for a shady place where there is shade so that he can sit calmly and eat his bone. Dinu walks near a pond. Underline pond. He looks into the water. Now, as the Dinu is walking, he came near a pond. He looked into the water. There is a dog in the water. Now, as the Dinu was walking, he saw there is also another dog in the water. The dog in the water has a bone too. It looks very tasty. Underline tasty. Now as the dog was walking by, he saw that there is a dog in the water that also has got a bone and that looks very tasty too. Dinu is greedy. He opens his mouth to grab the bone in the water. Underline grab. Now students, they are telling that Dinu is greedy. Greedy means somebody who has got a strong desire to eat or drink something. So what happened that Dinu was also greedy. There was a strong lust in him that he should eat the bone the dog in the water is having. He wanted that bone as well. So what he did, he opened his mouth to grab the bone in the water. But Dinu's bone falls into the water. Now what happened, as he opened his mouth, his bone fell in the water. Now Dinu has no bones. First of all, underline fall. He is hungry and he feels very silly. Underline silly. So students, this chapter is basically giving us a moral lesson that we should not be greedy. Whenever we are greedy, we lose the thing that we are having. As the unit told us that first of all, Dinu had got a bone and he was wandering by looking for a shady place or a calm place to sit, relax and have his bone. As he walked across a pond, he saw that there was also another dog in the pond that was having a bone. So what Dinu actually saw? He saw his reflection in the pond. But he was so much greedy that what he did, he opened his mouth to grab the bone from that dog in the water. Now as he opened his mouth, he was watching his reflection, his bone fell in the water. So now Dinu was hungry as well as silly. So students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Now what you have to do is to read the text your own self in order to improve your pronunciation. Now moving towards our exercises.